How to log in with your account on GhibliArt AI. Are you guys facing issues to log in into your account on a GhibliArt AI? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on a laptop device. Once you open up Chrome, now search for Ghibli AI. Once you enter the website, now look at the top right corner of the screen where you can see the option for sign in. Tap on it. Once you click on it, you can see the option for email and password. Fill up all the details. Once you fill up all the details, just simply tap on sign in. Once you tap on sign in, your account will be logged in, and that's what you are looking for, right? If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.